The Panasonic GH5 has a logarithmic gamma that we call LOGL that can be unlocked in the camera for a $100 charge. And what it does is gives you a very flat profile, gives you lots of dynamic range, an extra 2 stops of dynamic range actually. And as you can see here, it has a very flat look. It has a tendency to make it a little harder for you to set focus, and it's a little harder for you to set exposure. So we've added the ability to load your own LUTs or lookup tables or use a pre-provided LUT that's in the camera. So if we go to the camera's menu setting, we want to be the top option, which means we need to be in the movie camera mode here. Vlog View Assist, we select that. When we turn on LUT monitor display, what you'll now see is I've corrected the color here and we've added the appropriate curve to it so that it looks like Rec 709 color. If I wanted to load my own LUTs, you can just put an SD card in with the LUTs, select Read LUT File, and then you'll have it in one of these 4 presets that's here. Now, if you want to output that LUT to an external recorder or an external monitor so that the people who are watching what you're doing can see it properly corrected, what we would do is go into the camera's menu. We would go to the second tab, HDMI Record Output, LUT HDMI display, and if we look over here when I turn it on, boom. Now we have our LUT output to both the GH5 and to our external monitor.